Hey team, welcome to One Flight AU. So recently we are getting into 3D mapping, photogrammetry and volume measurements. We recently purchased a DJI Matrice 4E. Now this Matrice 4E, as we all know, is actually one of the best drones on the market to be able to do photogrammetry and variable other things. Has multiple options and additions. Today what I wanted to talk about is a manifold and what is actually involved in buying and organizing and all that sort of stuff, and what you should buy depending on what drone you have, because not a lot of people actually know about this. Now Manifold 3 is one of those quite a devices that you can do a number of inspections, building 3D models, digital twins if you want to call it that as well. So this gives you a upper hand on a lot of things. Now there's not a lot of things on YouTube or DJI that actually released to be able to give you an idea of what to buy and how to install it. So I just thought I'll give you a quick video on how to basically do this. So when you purchase this Manifold 3, there is a fair bit of investigation and obviously trying to figure out what's what. We purchased Manifold 3 and also a kit that is basically a parts and component for a Matrice 4E. Now there is a few other things, options, and we're gonna go to the computer now to double check what we are. Okay, so when you go into the DJI website, DJI store, you search for Manifold 3, you can see the manifold, but then you get a few options with mounting kit, and the mounting kit does not come with the actual drone itself or with the Manifold 3, right? So you have a few options for whatever drone you have. Now, there is obviously accessory kit for Matrice 400, and there's Matrice 4D series and Matrice 4 series. So in this case we have a Matrice 4 series. Now the difference between a 4 and 4D series is the 4D series doesn't have the folding legs and is definitely a lot more available. You can fly it more in better, worse weather, cold and obviously raining and everything else, where performance, as far as I know, is very similar from what you get, but you obviously get with them for 4D series, you get a lot more flexibility with flight. In this case, we're going to be putting that on the actual Matrice at the moment, and let's have a quick look. So laptop away, unpacking. Inside the kit, what you get is obviously you've got your manifold, which we can get rid of that now. Then we've got a plate that goes on top of the drone. We've got a couple of screws. So we get a screwdriver and a few other accessories. And the way you sort of do it is you pop that onto, okay, cool. So we are on. And what we are going to do is screw. So we get screws here, and then we've got to screw everything into that 4 holes, and then essentially later on these screws on the side there, they basically go and screw into the actual drone itself as well. So let's do that now. So we've got Allen key and straight away into the actual manifold itself in place. Don't over tighten it because you will strip the screws. They are very small screws. I believe they're only M3 screws, but don't quote me on that. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got the plate on to the manifold, and now we have to connect the USB-C connector. This part there goes straight in, and we can use the screwdriver now to be able to secure that into place. Now keep in mind, obviously there is a bit of vibration on the drone itself when it's flying, so you got to make sure that you tighten these and they don't come out. They do have a Loctite on them, and that's pretty much it. So we are pretty much set to go onto the actual drone. And the way you pop that onto the drone is you pop your little weatherproof USB-C protector, and that goes straight in like so. So straight in, that, and this goes on top. Now just make sure that you just have a nice and clear cable there, and then all we do is just screw it in one side, the other side, and we can use this Allen key to tighten it nicely without sort of making sure that we actually have enough tightness on this. Now the next step is turning the drone on and updating the Manifold 3 to the latest firmware. Now this can be done through the DJI Assistant 2, and we'll do that next time on the next video. So that's pretty much it. We have a Matrice 4E with Manifold 3, and you can do some amazing flying and modeling now with it too. So thanks for watching. Hopefully not too long of a video, but I haven't seen much on YouTube with this setup and how to actually put everything together. So see you on the next video.